just a car. It's nothing to get excited about.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, Lance.
Hey, that guy's a tough guy.
What?
Hey.
Something wrong?
No. Yes, you have a car.
I know.
Don't give me like... Hey. How'd you get the car, Jess?
I bought it?
Really? I thought you might have built it from parts left over from cars you totaled.
What's your problem?
Don't wait, young. You know what you did.
You gotta go.
Yes, drive on away. It looks walking. That's all we're been able to do. Just have to go lots of walking to that lane. It's because of you, mister.
I didn't start this.
Well, you started it when you wrecked Rory's car.
I'm in front of walking on.
You don't know.
I'm trying to drive.
Then go.
Jeez, you want me to witness it? I'm so excited by it. Come on.
It's not the car. You got the car.
Fine. What's the deal?
I don't want this piece of junk.
Right. I'm supposed to go already. Another car. Something really snaps.
Shut up and go. Let's go. Hey, you left your car in the backseat. Extend the invitation to both of you. I just wasn't sure if there's lots of food and booze for the lucky non-pregnant ones and cake. It'll be fun. Well, I'll fucking hope my stomach.
No, don't do that.
Please, so much. Well,
Okay, sure.
really?
Yeah, let's have a party. Watch it, you'll jiggle that thing right out of you.
My brother's perspective. Here's the cake. Hi. Welcome. Alex, hi. This is Thanks for Lori. I have a little arm twisted back to the floor like you know?
Oh, now that you don't need to talk more.
Don't worry, I'm not your wife. Oh, wait, Gigi. Gigi. Sure, we're talking to Jason.
That's a girl.
I really want to.
Oh, wow. Listen,
It's a game. Everybody has a diaper in it. And if you say the word baby, the person has to be taking it again. For instance, New York. Oh, she meant to run all those people down. She didn't mean to. Oh, goodness, the famous CD collection. Now part of a order, too. Not stacked up like coasters. Yeah, I'll look into that. Finding something impossible, I would be John, Joel, and I would just have to queue up. Now everything is Hey, John. Hey, John. Hey, no stuff from Sharon. Get over here. Oh, thank you. Love soda. Thank you. Don't you hate the way she loves Sharon? You can really tell she's pregnant with profile. Yeah, here you go.
no, you do. When I was carrying this one, 4 ways had to be wide. Because they had to be right.
You're the only one that respect.
I'm the only mother here, none of you kids. Or the guy.
There aren't that many Christophers in the world.
It's true.
You have to give me some books, okay? Books, the ones that you read when you had Rory.
Oh, I see. I think I was reading Deanie at the time.
No parenting books?
No parenting books.
Well, then where'd you get your information on child raising? Your mom?
No, for keeps. But father-in-law read a laptop. Really underrated little post-John Hughes flick. Shoot with the prom fat. I found it really inspirational. Hey, what are we all sitting around here for? Let the games begin! Let the games begin! The one she's not visiting me on.
Oh, well, that's a given, Lorelai. Really, anytime, we've already got a key for you. Well, thank you. I'll definitely visit. Too, Lorelai. I mean, you're sort of Gigi's aunt.
I guess I kind of am.
Oh, excuse me. Isn't that the best? I think we can get some food. No, let me get it.
Like time to get back at him.
Right. Thank you for that. Too.
Oh, great.
I have to tell you, he has been so amazing the past few months and so involved.
Good. You'll see me against the wall or something.
Talks to me about seems to. That's nice. Yeah, he has a terrible voice, but it's sweet. And we're so protective. Because for right now, he would insist that I lie down. I keep kidding him. One of these things there's so much control and coordinated security around everywhere.
Well, you turn it down and they'll send it to my house.
Yeah, I wanted to thank you. Thank me? Yeah, I mean, it's all because of you.
What?
Yeah, I really wanted to tell you that Chris and I had a rocky stretch. I'm sure you know the time. We were so distant and hardly ever talked. I wasn't even sure if I was going to tell him. I thought I was going to either do it alone or not going to do it at all. I mean, I was kind of in the same position you were. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I guess.
I decided that I would tell him before I made any decisions. It was the weekend that he was with you and Lori. Remember, there was no outlet.
Yes, I remember.
Well, I don't know what happened or what you said or whatever it was. It worked. I came back and changed your mind. All of a sudden, you were so intense with me. Something missed out. Or I just pushed it into you.
Yes, well, I can be very persuasive. I've got a good name for those things. It's called poppers.
Party pooper? Popper pooper? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just one hell of a mojito. Listen, could you point the way to the bathroom?
Oh, sure. Just do that to the right.